Hey, how's it going, everyone? It's Sylvain here. Welcome again to another video. So hopefully you're doing well. The busy week this week, on course all week. So yeah, super busy. Didn't do the video last night, so taking the opportunity to do it tonight. What I wanted to cover is, you've probably seen like the election things have gone crazy, and then if you looked at the market, Bitcoin went up with Ethereum and so on. And I just wanted to kind of go over that thing and explain my perspective when it comes to like the market, and if it's a good spot to get started with your dollar cost averaging, if it's a great spot to buy or not. I just want to go over some thoughts and points to consider essentially. So let's just look right into it. Before we get started, I just want to go on with a quick disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, so seek professional help if you'd like to, especially before you want to invest. What I want to look at is the actual chart, Bitcoin, US dollar for this. I picked Bitstamp. I just wanted to have a clean one. I usually use Bittrex, but anyway, I want to make reference. So where's the price at this point? So you've probably seen the price climbing pretty much since that level at 10,400. So it's climbed that way for quite a bit now, up to, I think we reached almost, pretty much 16,000, 16K. So it's gone up all the way up there. And if you're probably seeing most of the, so one thing I wanted to point out is my EMA 200, 200 EMA average. So I'm on 1 day chart, as you see it here. Let's just go a little bit. So seeing that was the highest level here, and then what you're seeing with the EMA. So here's my blue line, and then seeing like that in most, except this occasion that it went up and we clearly detached from this area. It's gone. It was like closer anyway, fairly close to the line for that. And then for this instance now, it's detached quite a bit. So we're seeing that it could still potentially go up, but at this point. So when it gets to that point, we don't know if it's going to go up or down, right? But what is, it's clearly away from the 200 at this point, and eventually it's going to catch some correction on the way down. Well, obviously on the way down in this case, but you really want to look at the price action here, and then seeing especially that big rise, especially yesterday, probably generated by all the election uncertainty in the economy and all that. And then if we're seeing this red candle kind of uncertainty at this level, so it's something to have a look at. It's clearly kind of gone up, but it's kind of overextended a little bit. If we see clear movements, typically it's going to go up, some correction and so on, and then it kind of did that. It actually, on this move up, it corrected a bit more than for in this area here before going back up again. So that's that could still be in play for this specific one. But I think at this point now we're probably going to see a little correction here. So that's why I'd be cautious to put a lot of money. So dollar cost averaging, it might still go up, might come down. So don't put all your money at this occasion. So that would be my recommendation. But again, you can do whatever you prefer. So I'd probably look to see something like it's going to go up here. I use some Fibonacci level, and it wouldn't be surprising, at least if it goes back up, at least in this kind of area here, where you've seen a little bit of action here. So I wouldn't be surprised if it comes back at some point in here, and in the 13, 14-ish before going back up. So one point to consider. I just wanted to give my 2 cents on this specific topic, right? Because it's something that I don't discuss often. I used to a little bit to be involved a bit more in trading, but I just wanted to pass that on. Just a quick trick that you're looking at that chart, look at what happened before to kind of try to somewhat predict what's going to happen, even though if you can't really predict it, but just try to see some red flags that you might, put the brakes on or something. So hopefully this was good value to you. Make sure you like, subscribe, and also don't hesitate to put a question in the comments. So thanks for watching, and then we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.